Hello viewers, it's me Vaishu and welcome back to my channel Vaishu Creativity. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a very easy pen at home for your mobiles, iPads, tablets and all. So before you go to this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, like and smash that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you guys will notify and be the first to watch newly posted videos like this. So now let's move on to the video. So first take a plastic wire. So if you observe carefully inside you will be seeing some copper wires. Take a long strip of copper wire and a piece of cotton and a pen without a refill. You can use any kind of pen for this project. I am using this kind of pen. Now take the copper wire strip and place 1 to 2 inches inside the pen. Now place the other end of the copper wire strip into the end of the pen. If you think that the length won't sufficient, then you can stick that copper wire strip with tape or glue. Now take a piece of cotton and roll it into a strip. Take some water and add a little bit of water for the cotton. Don't just dip that cotton into the water. If you think that you have any excess, you can just cut out it. Now place that cotton strip into the pen. Now it's testing time. So I have made another pen with another pen for the mobile with a normal pen. So this is useful for the teachers to correct the papers. And even for the students and children for drawing, painting, notes and all. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.